Here are some epic crypto charts for you guys. First, check this one out. This is the chart showing Satoshis per US dollar. So right now you can buy 2,441 Satoshis for every $1. That trend is unbreakable. This is an inverse chart. So as it goes down, Bitcoin price rises. You can see once that white line hits 1 sat per dollar, Bitcoin is going to be $100 million. This trend is unbreakable. And you can see that over 10 years, Bitcoin's price pretty much has to go up if the halving cycle is as significant as it's been. Every black line represents when Bitcoin has halved, meaning the difficulty to mine goes up and the circulating supply goes down. It causes supply-demand fundamentals to go out of whack and the price of Bitcoin spikes. Look at the first one. That was the 2013 bubble. Second black line, 2017 bubble. Third black line, 2021 bubble. And so right now we seem to be in the accumulation period that follows every single halving event. So the next one, if the halving cycle plays out, the next one is going to be super significant again to the price. I'm skeptical that the halving cycle is going to be as big of a driver on the crypto markets going forward, because now they're starting to trade with the rest of the risk assets and high growth tech. But if this plays out, the trend is your friend, and you have an opportunity to potentially accumulate before the next halving cycle. Guys, check this chart out. This is huge. This is from Willy Woo on Twitter. So that's the price of Bitcoin logarithmic, the blue line. And each of those spikes represents when weak hands sold on fear while demand was sufficient enough to counteract the price movement. It's a very complicated analysis, but you can just see every time the spike became massive, it was an epic floor and bottom. So what we have to do is monitor for those massive spikes. But you can see every single time this spikes, this is a fear indicator of the weak hands, guys, retail traders. Every spike pretty much calls for a bottom. And you can see the last two we've had were short-term bottoms. But we want that big capitulation. We want those huge spikes. That shows the biggest point of fear. That's when the whales buy. That's when the whales make so much money because they get it at such a good price, guys. So I just love these charts. They're so exciting. I mean, it just shows the deep on-chain metrics of what's going on, guys. But the next time anyone tells you that crypto isn't worth anything, again, I love showing this stuff. Check this out. These are the people that support crypto and believe in it. The Tesla CEO, the Uber CEO, the Apple CEO, NVIDIA, PayPal, Airbnb, Google, Microsoft, and the list goes on. All those leaders of corporate America are bullish crypto, and it's the retail crowds that are not. So this is an incredible opportunity. It's all lining up.